How do I show my Google Sheets data on a Google map? I have all of these locations. I want to show them on a Google map. So first, I'm going to search and find the best mapping solution. Here's what I found. The Mapping Sheets add-on. I'm going to get the add-on and install it. Click Continue and make sure you select all for what Mapping Sheets can access so that it can work properly. Mapping Sheets has been installed. Back to the spreadsheet. Now I want to start mapping. So I go to Extensions, Mapping Sheets, and I click Start Mapping. Once the sidebar loads, I need to make some decisions. So you'll see down here there's a warning. It says headers required. That's because I need to choose some headers. So I'm going to choose them based on the columns of my spreadsheet. So for title, I'm going to choose name. For the filter, I'm going to choose category. And for the location, I'm going to choose address because I need it to be a location. Then I click build to build the map. Now the map is ready, and I'll click view to see the new map and explore the features. I'm going to sign in with Google in order to access my map. And here we go. There's our map. So now that we have our map, let's check out what we can look at here. So first, let me show you one of the locations. If I click on this blue pin here, it'll show you some of the data from the spreadsheet we looked at earlier. The name, the category, the address, and the other two columns. Then we can take a look at this cluster of locations here. So when they're all too close together, they show up in a cluster. If I click on it, it'll zoom in and expand and show all of the locations in the cluster. So here's another example. You can see the info window with all of the data from the spreadsheet. I can also show you all of the locations as a list on the right-hand side in the sidebar here. And we can use the filters to show only some of the locations using the category filter here on the left. So we can remove all of them, and let's say I only want to look at the parks. It'll just display the locations that are parks. And then I can show them all again. And that's all for today. In our next video, we can talk about some extra features that you can use within the free basic plan, like adding an image to the info window and adding some extra filters. Thanks for watching.